guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some DIY lotion bars like this one. So before we get started, I want to show you guys all the ingredients. I'm going to be making two different recipes of the lotion bar. One of them I call Dream Cream. The other one I haven't come up with a name for it yet, so hopefully you guys can come up with a name for it in the comments. But let me show you the ingredients for the first one. This is the one that I'm going to call Dream Cream. I'm using it making jojoba oil, shea butter, which is of course extremely moisturizing to the skin, very nourishing. Marshmallow root powder. This is perfect for if you have any skin irritation. It is really soothing for that. And I'm also using some Manuka Honey. I don't know if you guys can see that. And for scent, we're going to be using vanilla oil. This is fragrance oil. And also some rose oil that we have right here. So those are the ingredients for the first lotion bar. Now I'm going to show you the ingredients for the second one. We're going to be using, again, raw unrefined mango butter. You want to make sure your butters are as natural as possible. We'll be using apricot kernel oil for the oil for this one. And then for our powder in here, we're going to be using Acai Berry powder. Now the use of the powders will help to cut the greasiness of the lotion bar. For the scent here, we're going to be using French lavender essential oil and lemon essential oil, which is of course one of my favorite combos together. Lavender and lemon, it's just perfection. Lastly, we'll be using these two ingredients in both of the recipes. A little bit of beeswax is going to keep our lotion bar solid and keep it from melting, and vitamin E, of course, to help protect our skin. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to be getting started first. I'm going to use a glass measuring cup. You can use a glass bowl as well, and you just want to put it in a pot of water. I'm going to turn the fire on medium, and I want to add the shea butter now first. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add the beeswax as well, and I'll talk about the benefits of these ingredients momentarily. And then I'm going to add some jojoba oil. Oh my gosh, it literally looks like liquid gold. Alright, so while our little concoction is melting, let's get into these ingredients. So first off, we have the white beeswax beads. So with beeswax, it is a natural humectant. That means it helps your skin to retain the moisture and hold on to it. And it also is a natural exfoliator, so it works to really, get rid of those dead skin cells. So with the lotion bar, having the beeswax in there, you're getting both of those great benefits. And it's also going to provide the hardness for our lotion bar to make sure it's not always melting and things like that. Our shea butter has so many fatty acids and vitamins to help keep our skin nourished and moisturized without feeling oily. So lastly, we'll talk about some of the great benefits of the jojoba oil. I won't review all of them because it's literally just too many. So first off, jojoba oil is non-comedogenic, meaning that it is not going to clog your pores. The same with mango butter. So you're getting all that great moisture without that oily feeling on your skin and feeling like everything is just combusted in there. So jojoba oil is not only an antioxidant, but it also helps to control the sebum production in your skin. So if you remember, we discussed in the last video that sebum is the oil that your skin naturally produces. When you try to avoid using products with oil, or you use oil-free products, your skin is going to overproduce sebum because you're not giving it any oil. So it's just saying, we don't have enough, we're going to make more and more and more excess oil, meaning you'll have oily skin. So when you use oils like jojoba oil to help control that sebum production, you're giving your skin the necessary moisture needed, so it's not going to continuously overproduce oils, meaning you won't have oily skin. Just a little tip, it's not the only cause of oily skin, but it's definitely a big help. So after about 10 minutes of letting it sit in medium heat, you want to use a rag or some type of oven mitt to take it out of the pot because it's going to be extremely hot, and you just want to make sure that everything is melted down really nicely. So now we'll be adding some Manuka honey. I added about 1 tablespoon of Manuka honey, and what makes this honey so special is that it comes from a special tree that is native to New Zealand. It's called the Manuka tree, and it has been proven to have higher levels of antibacterial and restorative properties. So just like beeswax, not only is honey a natural humectant, but it's also rich in so many proteins, minerals, and vitamins to help promote the regeneration of our skin and also repair cellular damage, meaning that it can help heal your scars quickly. So I'm going to be adding some marshmallow root powder now to our mixture. Of course, as I mentioned earlier, the powder is going to help cut the greasiness of the lotion bar so that you're not getting that oily feeling from just the oils and butters being mixed together. And marshmallow root extract does have anti-inflammatory benefits, so it can help soothe any type of irritation or things like that that you may have on your skin from using other products. I'm adding about 1 dropper of vitamin E oil for some added skin protection. So now we're going to go ahead and add our essential oils, our vanilla fragrance oil, and I put about 20 drops maybe. I am not good at measuring essential oils because I just freehand them and I base it off the scent, and that's honestly what I would advise you to do as well. That way you can alter this recipe to the scent you'd like. Some people like stronger scents, some people don't like when their fragrance is too strong, so just continue to add the drops and smell it to ensure that the scent is up to your standards. And I also went ahead and added the rose oil as well. One important thing to note when adding your essential oils is that you want to try to add them at the very last minute when the mixture is almost cooled. So you should be able to put your hands on that glass bowl for 10 seconds without it burning you or you feeling uncomfortable. That's how you know that you're ready to add the essential oils. But we have to do all of this very quickly because, as you can see, the mixture has already begun to cool. You see that line around the measuring cup. That means that the cooling process has begun, so we have to get these poured into the mold as soon as possible. So while our mixture is cooling and setting, I'm going to go ahead and get started working on the second recipe. I'm adding our beeswax here again, followed by some mango butter and some apricot kernel oil. As you guys know, if you guys watch some of the DIYs on my Instagram channel, I am crazy about mango butter. Like, it's my holy grail of natural products. Mango butter is so rich in so many vitamins and minerals. It literally like moisturizes your skin and brings it back to life. Apricot kernel oil is a light oil that is quickly absorbed by the skin. Not only does it help to moisturize the skin, but it can also eliminate dry patches of skin and help relieve inflammatory conditions such as rosacea, psoriasis, and eczema. I'm adding 1 full dropper of the vitamin E oil here. I'm gonna go ahead and add the acai berry powder now. It is filled with vitamin A and vitamin C to help boost your cell turnover, brighten up your skin, and also increase your collagen production so you can get that firm, glowing skin. So you can see I even added some extra berry powder here, and I still wish I would have added more because even though our mixture is going to be that deep purple color, once the lotion bar cools, it will turn extremely light. It almost looks a little gray. So you can tell that cooling process has already begun. That line has begun to form around the side of the cup. So we're going to go ahead and add our essential oils now. I'm going to add some French lavender essential oil and lemon essential oil. I'm freehanding the measurements of these fragrances again, and you should as well. It all depends on how strong or mild you want the fragrance of your product to be. So we are ready to go ahead and pour this mixture. That little clumpy bar in the back is the leftover from the Dream Cream that wasn't enough to make a full bar. So I just poured what was left over in there, and I'm gonna pour what's left over of this one in that one to make kind of a mix. Be sure that you're continuously mixing the mixture so that it doesn't have too much powder buildup at the bottom. So you just want to let these bars sit and cool for at least 24 hours and keep them out of direct sunlight. So this is the Dream Bar. It's a pretty natural yellow color, and I'm literally just gonna go ahead and massage it directly into my skin and then just rub it in. And these lotion bars are like magic because it's that easy and then you're done. You don't have to do too much. They're definitely perfect for going on vacation. You can just store them in a tin container. This is the second lotion bar with the acai berry, and the more you use it, the more you can see the little purple dots in the bar. I think it's so cute. But same here, I'm just gonna go ahead and massage it into my skin. As you can see, it's not that oily. It's like just the perfect amount of moisture. I think I might switch to using these lotion bars permanently just because they're like perfect. I can't even go into it, but yeah. Anyway, I had so much fun making these lotion bars. I'll be sure to put the ingredients and the measurements in the description box. And if you guys like this video, please press that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week.